Okay, maybe you can help me understand what's going on here. I've got the cage on the camera. It's a F38 on the bottom, and this is the Quick Connect. I replaced the sharp things with some screws, but anyway, when I put it on this way with the lens facing down, nothing clicks. I can just pull it back off again. Nothing clicks. But if I put it this way, with the lens facing to my left, then it'll click. Now it's in there. And now when I push this button, I can take it out. So it locks sideways, just fine. So I'm gonna walk around like this. You know, that seems weird. I wanna walk around like this. But that way it doesn't lock. So if you could explain to me why that is, or if I just have to get a version 2, maybe I could trade this one in for version 2. That would work properly. Let me know.